Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another amazing video. I've bought a new car and it's a good one. Let's go and get it. We need two things. We need the keys and we need the jump starter because the battery is totally wasted. I did have to hide the car for a couple of weeks from you guys, but you have probably seen it in a couple of videos that you don't really know.
But not really sure if you guys can tell, but and I was like, gotta check that one out, but it's not what you want.
Check out my brand spanking new Subaru Justy Suzuki Ignis Holden Cruze G3X 4x4 budget off-roader. And in today's video, I'm going to explain to you guys why this car is by far the best budget car money can buy. Lightweight, it's a 4x4, it's a Suzuki, a Subaru and a Holden Cruze at the same time. Also going to try and drive it up a big hill today. And also going to show you guys 17 years of wear and tear on this beautiful specimen. I seriously love this car. The horn is kind of freaky. Yeah, and that's not the only thing that's wrong with this car. So I found this car at the wrecking yard, ready to die, and I was like, I gotta save this little vehicle. And a quick little fact about the Subaru Justy. This is its key. This is my 2021 Suzuki Jimny 4x4 all grip key, 2005-2021. This is 17 years of difference in keys and they are exactly the same. So I wanted to buy something cool, I wanted to buy something rough. And I kind of failed on both those demands. So this is a Suzuki engine. Because, well, this car is 95% Suzuki Ignis. Subaru just put their badge on it and gave it some rally headlights. Those Subaru rally inspired fog lights. Yeah, buddy. But that's not the coolest part. The coolest part, 950 kilograms. That's even lighter than my Suzuki Jimny. Yep, even lighter than my Jimny. God dang it. This is my TopDon Jumpstarter I need for a Subaru. The engine comes in two models, 1300 cc's and 1500 cc's. I found out about the 1500 cc's after I bought the 1300. Yeah, I kind of screwed up with that one. But I can already smell my Australian friends down under. And they are saying, "Oi mate, that's a Holden Cruze you got there, mate." And they are 100% correct. It's also a Holden Cruze. Now I noticed that you guys are hungry for more, so let's start it up, jack it up, rev it up, and I'll show you guys the 4x4 system. You guys know that bleeping sound inside the Suzuki Jimny really annoys me. 17 years ago, they also had it. So yeah, the little Subaru does not start, but thankfully, the same day actually, that my Subaru wouldn't start and battery was completely wasted, the people from TopDon contacted me and said, "Smokey, wanna have a jump starter and make a little review about it?" I was like, this is going to come in handy. Anyway, it's a power bank, it's a flashlight, and it's also been used to start cars. And yeah, I tried this thing before. This thing is awesome. I'll put a link in the description.
It's kind of cheap and it can save your life. Or if your buddy is dying, you can even maybe like jumpstart your buddy again. I don't know.
Now this engine comes from the same country as the Toyota Supra and Nissan Skyline. You can just hear that. As you can tell, it's not running smoothly whatsoever, and the oil is as black as my morning coffee. I always say, once you go black, you never go back, but that doesn't count for oil. And a little fun fact about safety on this little golden nugget, it was never put through the NCAP, the European New Car Assessment Program. So yeah, talking about safety, nobody actually knows how safe it is. Gonna have to test that out later on. Top speed said to be 165 kilometers an hour. I guess we'll have to test that out later too. Might be as scary as doing it in the Jimny. And yeah, this rally-inspired Subaru sports car is also a 4x4. So let's jack it up and I'll show you what it does. A little bit of jacking action really tired me out. And as you can tell, wait a minute, it's a 4x4, so this should work. That's weird. That's also not working. Houston, I think we got a problem. Now I'm not really sure, but that's probably not four-wheel drive. So in this brand new Golden Nugget series, we're going to give it a very good maintenance, the TLC she deserves. These are some very expensive spark plugs. I'm going to give it the TLC she deserves. I'm also going to turn it into a budget off-roader. So I've got my roof rack LED, got my rally lights, and I got some limited 4x4 signs. I also asked my friends on Facebook if someone had some cheap wheels. And with cheap, I mean for free, because this is all going to be budget. So yeah, I already got 3 to 4 sets of free wheels to put some off-road tires on. Yeah, buddy. And I will also be testing out some weird gadgets. This is a coffee maker for inside your car. This is a gear knob. Hiya! I'm also gonna make her shiny like a baby's behind. And of course, I'm also going to keep road tires on it because, well, I'm gonna do some track days with it as well. Yeah, we're going to drive that on track. As with the Jimny, I'm taking you guys on this journey as well. The only difference with this car is I bought it for you guys. So you guys in the comments can tell me exactly what to do with this vehicle. But yeah, this is a custom license plate. It's a real one. It's $1,000. It's 1,000 euros to get a license plate like this. And probably one of the best things I've ever seen. They actually used some kit, a decent amount of glue to get the previous license plate on. My battery's dead. It's your car now.
5 minutes later.
And just like that, we are at the test track. Yeah, as you can tell, we got some hills over here. And of course, a video never really tells how high it is, but I am driving on street tires, so there's probably not a chance in the world, and I'm gonna get up there. This is a pretty steep incline, I am not gonna lie. Come on. Huh, with ease. With ease. Doesn't even really mind this at all. Look at that. Awesome. Yep. That's a little bit steep. Come on, you can do it. No way. No way I'm on top of this mountain. This is crazy. No freaking way. And in case you're wondering how high it is, that's how high it is. And that is it for today for the first Golden Nugget video series. Now make sure you subscribe and like this video because, well, there's going to be a ton more of this little nugget. And of course of the chimney. Don't worry about the chimney. And the KTM. Don't worry about that. But these new Golden Nugget videos are all about budget and having fun on a budget. Because, well, the channel, not really about budget, but it is now. Gonna give it some maintenance, some TLC. I'll see you guys in the next one. Drive safe, peace, and thanks for watching. See ya!